So, hello again and welcome back to the final module of the Pin Heroes course. And this will be the last module, as I said right now. And it will be all about the applications of the Pinterest account that you have already created. And we're going to just talk about how you are going to use all those people that are actually on your Pinterest account. So this will be this one of will be first of two lectures, and in this lecture we are going to talk about establishing brand authority. So what this means is that your Pinterest account will allow you to increase the authority of your brand on this platform. That means that when people will search for your brand on in a browser, on an internet, through Google or directly through Pinterest, they are going to find your brand on Pinterest, and they are going to take a look on how large your Pinterest account actually is. And when they will find that your Pinterest account is that large, it will give your brand far more credibility. No matter what you do, no matter what your brand is about, no matter what your niche is, no matter what you're selling, no matter if you're selling anything at all, no matter what you are doing, it doesn't matter actually. For that reason, I just increased my picture, my frame here, because this will be all about the talking. No matter what will happen, people are just gonna come to the Pinterest account and see that this guy has 1.3 million views. Damn, this looks a lot. And then they will think that they will know. It's not just about the think. It's about knowing stuff, because reaching 1 million people on Pinterest is not easy. Reaching 1 million people, 1 million viewers anywhere is not easy. Reaching 1 million viewers even on TV is not easy. So it doesn't actually matter where you got these Pinterest viewers from. You got that. So basically what you're showing to people here, that you already achieved quite a lot of success. No matter what you're doing, no matter where you are working, no matter where you're working from, like from your own house, like I do right here. It doesn't matter. It's all about the results. You are showing that results, you are giving your brand an authority, and people are going to look for it, and people are going to see that. And if you have your presence on other social media accounts as well, you just need to just get the results better and better and better, to just up your results there as well. And using 1 million people on Pinterest to increase the results on other accounts will be pretty easy. That's what I'm doing. That's what I will continue doing to increase my presence on other platforms as well. So when people would search me for on every platform, they will see that this guy, like in my case, Nick Nixon, is actually doing some stuff and actually showing some stuff to those people. So for that reason, establishing brand authority in your case, no matter what you do, is incredibly important. Even if you are not doing anything right now, even if you are not using your name or any other name that you want to use as your brand, doesn't matter. If you are just simply sitting on your couch creating YouTube videos or creating Instagram videos or something like that, doesn't matter. Just for fun, even doing this Pinterest for fun will give you a huge authority in the future that you might use. Just why the hell you would not have 1 million viewers when you actually can have 1 million viewers? What you would you not have 1 million viewers on Pinterest or on YouTube if you could? You could do that. So then just do that. Go and make your brand. You want to make your brand recognizable. Go and do that. And Pinterest will allow you to do just that. People are looking on Pinterest. Don't think that the huge brands that will want to work with you, they are looking at Pinterest. no matter what other people say, the people are not looking just on Instagram and on Facebook. They are looking on Pinterest as well. So just go for it and just increase your brand authority with the Pinterest, because this will allow you to go really, really big, really, really fast, really, really soon. So this is one of the applications that you could use the brand authority. And just if you want to show yourself, just that you are a real deal, show them your million account Pinterest like I'm doing right now. You are here because you know that I can actually teach you how to reach million Pinterest viewers, because I've already done this. So why the hell you couldn't do that? Why the hell you would not use this as well? Just go for it, think about that, and use that. And I'm gonna see you in the next lecture.